I think today sets a really good tone with the back-to-school celebration. Pulling in the community to be involved. We've had tremendous community support with this, as long as support from the school district as well.
Today we are having a back-to-school event at the school. We have the police officers shut down the road in front of the school. So we've got bouncy houses and an ice cream, snow cone machine and popcorn. And we're just trying to it's been a long, hot summer. We're trying to get people excited about the school year starting up.